Learning Korean feels hard? Don't worry, you've got me. It's your fluffy Korean teacher, Daramzi.
Who are you? 누구세요?
You want to know who I am? Alright, let me introduce myself in Korean.
저는 다람쥐입니다. 33살입니다. 한국어 선생님입니다.
I'll help you learn Korean in a fun, fluffy way, so it really sticks. That's how you introduce yourself in Korean. Today, we're gonna learn how to do that step by step. Part 1. The magic phrase.
저는 입니다.
It means I am blah blah.
저는
Means I, and
입니다.
means am. Just put your info in the middle, like your name, job, or age, just like I did 15 seconds ago. For example,
저는 다람쥐입니다. 33살입니다. 한국어 선생님입니다.
easy, right? Part 2. Asking and saying names. Let's start with names. To ask someone's name, say
이름이 뭐예요? 이름
means name and
뭐예요?
means what is. So,
이름이 뭐예요?
means what's your name? Here's how you can answer.
저는 제니입니다. 저는 정국입니다.
Now, let's answer with your name.
저는 다람쥐입니다.
Part 3. Talking about jobs. In some countries, asking about someone's job can be rude. But in Korea, it's generally fine. Just don't ask which company or salary. That's a bit too much. To ask about jobs, say,
무슨 일을 하세요?
that means, what do you do? You can answer like this. Student.
학생.
I'm a student.
저는 학생입니다.
Teacher.
선생님.
I'm a teacher.
저는 선생님입니다.
Office worker.
직장인.
I'm an office worker.
저는 직장인입니다.
Nice! Let's jump to the next one. Part 4. Talking about age. In Korea, people often ask your age when you first meet. That's because sometimes how we speak polite or casual depends on age. First, in Korean, age is
나이, 살,
means years old. To ask about age, say
몇 살이에요?
to answer.
저는 33살입니다.
Easy peasy. Did today's expression help you? If there's something you'd like me to cover in future lessons, please let me know in the comments. A practice video using today's phrases will be uploaded soon, so make sure to click and practice with me multiple times. Also, please don't forget to hit subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. See you soon.